What's up, legends? Welcome back to the Car Collection, the garage where luxury meets adrenaline, and today, we're diving deep into a true heavyweight from Bavaria. Say hello to the all-new 2026 BMW M6, a name that carries decades of dominance, reborn with more power, precision, and presence than ever before. Let's make one thing clear, this isn't just an M badge slapped on a luxury coupe. This is a full-blown grand touring weapon with a race-bred heart, tailored for the street, and engineered for the track. BMW didn't just bring back the M6, they resurrected it, evolved it, and loaded it with tech and torque. Visually? It's a jaw-dropper. The 2026 M6 wears a muscular, sculpted body that screams confidence without shouting. You've got a massive vertical kidney grille flanked by laser-thin adaptive LED headlamps. The carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and aggressive rear diffuser aren't just for looks, they're wind tunnel tested for real downforce. It rides low, wide, and proud on 21-inch M-forged alloys, hugging every inch of the road like it's hunting apexes. The rear gets the signature quad exhaust setup, a retractable spoiler, and animated tail lamps that give the M6 a future-forward presence, even when parked. Now let's talk power. Under that long, sculpted hood sits BMW's most evolved version of its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, cranking out an eye-watering 670 horsepower and over 800 Nm of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, with the kind of mid-range punch that leaves supercars in the rear view. This beast is paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, BMW's latest Gen xDrive all-wheel drive with rear bias tuning, and yes, drift mode is included for when you want to let loose. The sound? Deep, aggressive, and addictive. This isn't just fast, it's ferocious. Step inside and it's a different kind of thrill, luxury performance, dialed up. You're greeted by M-carbon bucket seats, Alcantara on the dash and roof, and a driver-focused cockpit that wraps around you like a race suit. The curved display running xDrive 9 stretches across the dash, crisp, customizable, and loaded with features. Ambient lighting shifts with drive modes. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system immerses you in studio-grade sound, while adaptive ambient scenting and massaging seats keep your senses dialed in. You're not just driving. You're commanding. On the road, the M6 is ridiculously capable. The adaptive M suspension, active anti-roll tech, and rear-wheel steering make it nimble in the corners and serene on the straights. Whether you're carving up back roads or gliding down the autobahn at 150 miles per hour, it stays planted, poised, and precise. And when it's time to stop, massive carbon ceramic brakes bring it to a halt with confidence, lap after lap, no fade. Now, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Expect the 2026 BMW M6 to start around $135,000, with loaded variants pushing well past $150,000. But for that price? You're not just buying a car, you're joining an elite class of drivers who crave elegance and aggression in the same breath. So the real question, is this the ultimate four-door GT? Would you take this over an AMG GT63S, an Audi RS7, or even a Porsche Panamera Turbo S? Let us know down below. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell, because here at the Car Collection, we don't just review cars, we bring the thrill straight to your screen. Catch you in the next one.